Man, oh man, crazy day, bruh. Crazy day again. Market's weak as shit. So let's talk about it, bro. Um, yeah, let's talk about the positions that I got in and the positions that I lost in. Um, so INTC, that's my options trade. Let's see. I actually don't know how I'm up 0.44% on that when I'm down, but all right. ALAB, dude, ALAB got in. And it just wasn't moving enough. We got stopped out. Got in, I think I got in at 940. Yeah, I got in at 994.25. Stop here. We did shoot up, and our target was somewhere here. Got weak again. Got us stopped out. That's gay. Let's see here. Here, let me go by zeros real quick. LAB, CTEV. CTEV. Anyway, I think I got in somewhere here, and then I put it at low of day, which was here. Or was it? Yeah, which was here at the time, and then stopped out. Like, bro, I don't know. And I'm on the best sectors, bro. Like, unless these stocks are still setting up, and I'm just getting in too early, and it is what it is. CTV, GRAL, GRAL. Here you go. Bro, like, I thought we were doing pretty good here. I get in. Fucking instant stop out. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, I was holding on. This was my second day holding on to this, and we got stopped out. It's just some of these trades just aren't working. Working out. INTC, that's my options trade. My options trade here. I can show you guys my options trade. Yeah, we were down on the day. I mean, you just gotta let this work out, bro. So if it doesn't work out, it is what it is. Because we're swinging this. That's why I put it 2 months out until August. But we're just gonna let it work out, see how it goes. We're in a downtrend overall with this stock, as you can see. The 10 or the 20 is above the 10. But the EMAs are kind of jumped up together on the daily. So I don't know, I'm kind of skeptical about that. Market's just not doing so good. I think it's because it's summertime, to be honest. Summertime is always like the worst price action. Newton, NWNT. I had to cut this short. I made a good decision. NWNT. Or NT. Is that what it is? NWNT. I had to cut this one short, bro. I thought, bro, I honestly, like, all seriousness, dude, I think this stock is still going to shoot up. But the reason why we cut this, even though it looks good, it looks really good. And since I got out of this trade, with my luck, it could shoot up. And this was my heavy stock. Like, I went in heavy with this trade. I could have made like $2,000 off this trade. But only reason is because the 10 is above the, or the 20 is above the 10. And I don't like that. You shouldn't do that. It shouldn't be like that. But I'm gonna kind of slowly watch this, but with my luck, bro, it's gonna shoot up. It's just gonna shoot up. NWTN. That's about it. My other stocks, as you can see, we're doing pretty good. UPXI though, hold on. Let's talk about UPXI. Bro, I think this is my second time getting in on here. Is it? UPXI. Yes, it's my second time getting in on this trade, I think. But it's just not one, like, I had my trend line. Actually, where's my trend line on here? UPXI. Bro, it's just not wanting to break out. It just doesn't want to break out. It's still setting up. It's still setting up. Can I add? I'll probably add tomorrow for sure. For sure. But I don't know, man. It's just they're not moving. They're just not fucking moving. We're up. Oh, LFMD. Up on LFM, or this is a new stock, LMFD. Show you on here. I don't have it on here. LFMD. This is it. Where did I get in on? Hold on. 1272. Like, bro, these stocks, dude, they like don't like how I'm trading these. It's so annoying. They're not moving at all. Even though I just bought this today. And look, we were almost there. We were almost fucking there, bro. I bought it here at the 5-minute candle, dude, and we were almost there. Oh, it's just annoying, bruh. That's what's really frustrating about it. LMFD, YSG, we're doing amazing. IZEA. IZEA. Like, come on, bro. Like, are you for real? We broke out. Like, we broke out, especially broke out the previous day's high, too. And instant reverse. Also, we may get stopped out in pre-market. Because in one of these stocks, I think we are on UPXI. Yeah, UPXI, dude. Look at that. So this is a prime example of swing trading with stocks like shares that your orders, they don't go through. So you better hope and pray to God that it doesn't do this. So I'm hoping and praying to God that we get back up above our target or above our stop, because it's at our stop now. And this hasn't updated yet. I think, where are we at? We're at 1218. Okay, we're even worse. It's even worse. Not really. Yeah, it's just depending on how the through the night goes, dude. I'm gonna sell this tomorrow. Like, none of these stocks, dude, are being my friend. None of them are. Like, they look like big move up, chop, 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 and they look like they're just setting up so good. And they're just not strong enough, even though I'm in a strong sector. So I don't know what's really going on here. Pays we're doing good. Let's go over pays. We just need a. This was a nice candle that I saw today. So hopefully, I'm hoping we can hit our first target, 156. So we can put it at break even, because I've been holding this stock for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days now. 5 fucking days. Hasn't even hit our first fucking target. Yeah, we're almost there, kind of. Need 536, so we would be at 480. We would sell half, and then we'd be in the clear. So hopefully this does pretty good, and this covers our losses for us. And that's about it. That's literally about it today. Let me show you my spreadsheet. Let me update this. I updated the spreadsheet for you guys. So on this one, I did all the calculations. So far, all together with our open positions, we are up 1652.98. And then I also made another one. I updated it because the last one I only did my wins. I'm just retarded. I did all my wins, even though some of these stocks are at break even and they're still in play, and then some of these stocks are done for. So altogether, out of all my trades, all my swing trades, up 647, and we're not including the open trades. So since we're not including the open trades, 647. I'm only including the trades that are completely at break even, meaning like they hit all their targets and they're just free roaming trades. I only included them. The other trades that I didn't include, that haven't hit their targets yet and they're not free roaming yet, haven't included. So 647, not bad, not too bad. I feel like I could do better, and honestly, I'm gonna be from now on, like I'm gonna be like very picky with my stocks now. Like, I'm gonna only be doing the sectors that are strong, and that's really about it. So yeah, this was kind of a quick video. Yeah, this is another update, man. So I'll see y'all for Friday. And hopefully we could end the week off a lot better and sell some of our positions, because I want some of our positions that we've been holding on for a while, like pays and shit like that, to be at break even. And then hopefully we get into some new positions tomorrow that can help us out with our losses, even though we're up overall, which is really good. But we want more. We want more with this shit. So I'll see y'all tomorrow, and I hope y'all made money today. Peace.